My name is Joel, and I wrote a book called 10 Essays on Fizz Buzz. To accompany the book, I'm making 10 videos on Fizz Buzz. Episode 8, Random Guessing. Fizz Buzz is the following problem. Print the numbers 1 to 100, except if the number is divisible by 3, instead print Fizz. If the number is divisible by 5, instead print Buzz. And if the number is divisible by 15, instead print Fizz Buzz. Now you may be wondering to yourself, how could someone get 10 essays worth of material out of this one simple problem? Well, stay tuned. Hello, let's just get this out of the way. I need you to solve Fizz Buzz. Do you know it?
Yeah, I know it. I just really don't want to solve it.
Well, just give it your best guess.
Oh, that's a good idea. I think I'm going to try that. Thank you for the suggestion. Okay, so I'm going to import iter tools. Always need iter tools, and I'm going to import random so that we can implement guessing. And we're going to define Fizz Buzz. Actually, this will be Fizz Buzzes, which is going to return us an iterator over strings. So we're just going to, keep guessing. So I guess I better import from typing import iterator. Okay. So now I have this iterator of strings. So what do I want to do? Is I want to define a bunch of iterators. So let's say counts equals itertools.count1, and then I'll do 15 of them, right? So take an iterator and do it. And then I'm just going to treat them one group at a time. So for group in, I want to zip them together, let's say. Okay. So I take each group, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the random seed to my lucky number. So if I'm going to guess, I got to be pretty lucky, right? And so my lucky number, it turns out, is 23,977,775. Okay. Don't ask me why that's my lucky number. It has been for a long time, and it tends to work out well for me. Okay. So now that I've done this, I can just say for n in group. Okay. So let's just go through the group. And we want to yield. What are we going to yield? Well, like we said, we're just going to guess. So we'll say random.choice. Okay, and what are we going to random.choose from? Well, we'll do Fizz Buzz. And then we also better choose Fizz. And then maybe the string version of n. And then, we better have Buzz as an option too. So that'll be good. And I think that should be it. Okay. And so now let's just say, FB equals Fizz Buzzes. Okay. And finally, let's just say for something in range 100. So we're going to print the first 100 of them, right? Print the next element of FB, right? So if my lucky number is really lucky, which I think it is, then this random guessing method will hopefully give us the right result. So let's see how lucky I am. Keep your fingers crossed for me. Okay, great. So let's go back. 75 was Fizz Buzz, so that looks good. 78 is Fizz, that seems reasonable as well. 80 is Buzz. 81 is Fizz. 84 is Fizz, Buzz, so on. 90 is Fizz Buzz, as you would hope. Then Fizz, 95 is Buzz, 96 is Fizz, and then finally 99 is Fizz, and 100 is Buzz. So that's fantastic. I can't imagine that you wouldn't want to hire someone as lucky as I am to be on your team. And so I hope you appreciate both the technical skill as well as the luck that went into this solution of Fizz Buzz. So yeah, Thanks.
Wait, what? And don't forget to check out the book at fizzbuzzbook.com.